Menu engineering is like having a secret weapon for your restaurant. It's about designing a menu that not only showcases your delicious food, but also maximizes your profits. Think of it as a strategic blend of culinary art and business savvy. At its core, menu engineering is about understanding what your customers love, what makes you money, and how to bring those two together in a beautiful and enticing way. It's about making sure every item on your menu has a purpose, from your signature dishes to your tempting desserts. Menu engineering isn't just a one-time task, it's an ongoing process. You'll need to analyze your menu's performance, gather feedback from your guests, and make adjustments along the way. But the rewards are worth it. Increased sales, happier customers, and a more profitable restaurant. Just like a chef carefully selects the finest ingredients, menu engineering helps you choose the right dishes and present them in a way that leaves a lasting impression on your diners. To master menu engineering, you need to get comfortable with some key metrics. Two of the most important are contribution margin and menu mix. Don't worry, they're not as complicated as they sound. Contribution margin tells you how much profit each dish contributes to your bottom line after accounting for the cost of ingredients. It's like looking under the hood of your menu to see which items are your star performers. Menu mix, on the other hand, reveals the popularity of each dish. It shows you what percentage of your customers are ordering each item, giving you valuable insights into their preferences. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify your high-profit, high-popularity dishes, your stars, as well as those that are lagging behind. This information empowers you to make strategic decisions about pricing, promotion, and even which dishes to keep or retire. Remember, data is your friend. By understanding your contribution margin and menu mix, you can make informed decisions that boost your restaurant's profitability. Your menu is often the first impression your restaurant makes on diners, so it needs to be visually appealing and well organized. Think of it as your culinary canvas where you showcase your dishes in the most enticing way possible. Start with a clean and easy-to-read layout. Use high-quality images sparingly but strategically to highlight your most appealing dishes. Avoid clutter and overwhelming your guests with too many choices. Organize your menu logically into categories such as appetizers, entrees, and desserts. Consider using boxes or other visual cues to draw attention to specials or signature dishes. The font you choose can also make a difference. Opt for a font that is both elegant and easy to read, ensuring that your menu is accessible to all guests. Remember, your menu is a reflection of your restaurant's brand and style. By paying attention to visual appeal and structure, you can create a menu that is both inviting and informative. Your menu descriptions are your chance to tell a story about your food and entice your guests to order. Use descriptive language that appeals to all the senses, painting a vivid picture in their minds. Instead of simply listing ingredients, highlight the flavors, textures, and aromas that make each dish special. Use words like succulent, tangy, aromatic, and crispy to evoke a sensory experience. Don't be afraid to get creative and inject some personality into your descriptions. If there's a story behind a particular dish or ingredient, share it. Keep your descriptions concise and to the point. Avoid using jargon or overly technical terms that your guests might not understand. Remember, your goal is to make your dishes irresistible. By crafting compelling descriptions that make mouths water, you can increase sales and enhance the overall dining experience. Section 5. Beyond the plate pricing strategies for profit. Pricing your menu is a delicate balancing act. You need to find the sweet spot where your prices are attractive to customers but also profitable for your restaurant. Consider using a cost-plus pricing strategy, where you determine the cost of ingredients for each dish and then add a markup percentage to determine the selling price. Don't be afraid to adjust prices based on demand and competition. If a particular dish is flying out of the kitchen, you might be able to increase the price slightly without impacting sales. Offer different price points to appeal to a wider range of customers. Consider having a mix of lower-priced, mid-range and higher-priced items on your menu. Be transparent with your pricing. List prices clearly on your menu and avoid hidden fees or surcharges. Remember, pricing is not a one-size-fits-all approach. By carefully considering your costs, your target market, and your competition, you can develop a pricing strategy that supports your restaurant's financial success. Section 6. Listen to your guests, analyzing sales data and feedback. Menu engineering is not a guessing game. It's about making data-driven decisions. One of the best ways to understand what's working on your menu and what's not is to analyze your sales data and gather feedback from your guests. Your POS system is a goldmine of information. It can tell you which dishes are your best sellers, which ones are lagging behind, and even what time of day or day of the week certain items are most popular. Don't underestimate the power of customer feedback. Encourage your servers to ask diners about their experience and to note any comments or suggestions. You can also provide comment cards or online surveys to gather feedback. Regularly review your sales data and customer feedback to identify trends and areas for improvement. Use this information to make informed decisions about menu updates, pricing adjustments, and staff training. Remember, your guests are your best critics. By listening to their feedback and analyzing your sales data, you can continually refine your menu and enhance the overall dining experience. From farm to table, the allure of seasonal and local. Diners are increasingly interested in knowing where their food comes from. Incorporate seasonal and local ingredients to enhance flavor and freshness. Partner with local farmers for the highest quality ingredients. This supports your community and adds authenticity to your menu. Highlight seasonal ingredients like asparagus in spring or pumpkin in the fall. This adds excitement and anticipation to your offerings. Offer daily or weekly specials featuring seasonal ingredients. Showcase your culinary creativity and keep your menu fresh. Educate your staff about ingredient origins. They can share this with diners, enhancing their experience. Seasonal and local ingredients are a commitment to quality and sustainability. Section 8. Stars, Puzzles and Plough Horses. Understanding menu engineering models. Menu engineering models provide a framework for analyzing your menu's profitability and popularity. One popular model is the Boston Consulting Group Matrix, which categorizes menu items into 4 quadrants. Stars, high profitability, high popularity. These are your rock star dishes that you want to promote and feature prominently on your menu. Puzzles, high profitability, low popularity. These dishes have potential but may need some tweaking to increase their appeal. Consider adjusting the pricing, description or presentation. Plough horses, low profitability, high popularity. These dishes are customer favorites but may not be generating much profit. Explore ways to increase their profitability, such as adjusting the portion size or sourcing ingredients more cost-effectively. Dogs, low profitability, low popularity. These dishes are dragging down your menu and should be considered for removal or replacement. By analyzing your menu using this model, you can identify areas for improvement and make strategic decisions about which dishes to promote, reposition, or retire. Section 9. Teamwork makes the dream work. Staff training and continuous improvement. Menu engineering is not a solo endeavor, it requires a team effort. Your staff, especially your servers, are on the front lines and play a crucial role in promoting your menu and maximizing sales. Provide your staff with thorough menu training, ensuring they understand the story behind each dish, the ingredients used, and any special preparations. Empower them to answer questions and make recommendations confidently. Encourage your staff to upsell and cross-sell. For example, if a guest orders a salad, the server could suggest adding grilled chicken or shrimp. Or, if a guest orders a glass of wine, the server could recommend a pairing from your wine list. Create a culture of continuous improvement. Regularly review your menu's performance with your team, gather feedback, and brainstorm ideas for enhancement. Celebrate successes and learn from any missteps. Remember, your staff are your brand ambassadors. By investing in their training and empowering them to provide exceptional service, you can elevate the overall dining experience and drive sales. Real-world success stories. Countless restaurants have boosted profits using menu engineering. Here are a few examples. A casual dining chain highlighted its most profitable dishes. They used suggestive selling to increase orders, resulting in higher check sizes and profitability. A fine dining spot repositioned a popular appetizer as a shared plate. This boosted its profitability. A quick-service restaurant added healthier options based on feedback. These changes were a hit with diners. Menu engineering works for all types of restaurants. Embrace it to create a profitable and satisfying menu.